Hidden in the clouds, standing like silent giants between earth and sky, lies a world of mystery, danger, and ancient power. This is no ordinary mountain range. This is the Himalayas, the roof of the world, home to the deadliest climbs, birthplace of legends, and a place where science, spirituality, and survival collide. Get ready to uncover the secrets of the highest place on Earth. This is FactoNugget, and this is the story of the Himalayas. Hey Facto Seekers, welcome back to another mind-blowing episode. Today we're heading 29,000 feet above sea level to explore the Himalayas, a place of awe, extremes, and mystery. Strap in, because this journey is going to blow your mind, and maybe freeze it too. Around 50 million years ago, something colossal happened. The Indian tectonic plate slammed into the Eurasian plate at a speed of 15 centimeters per year, like two cars in slow motion. But this crash didn't break anything. It built something. It pushed the Earth upwards, folding and crumpling the crust like paper, forming the Himalayas. And it's still rising, about 5 millimeters every year. This mountain range now stretches over 2,400 kilometers across 5 countries: Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, and Pakistan. It's home to the 10 highest peaks on Earth, including the legendary Mount Everest. Climbing the Himalayas isn't just hard, it's deadly. Above 8,000 meters lies the infamous death zone, where oxygen is so scarce, your body literally starts to die. Climbers face hypoxia, frostbite, avalanches, and sheer exhaustion. And some never come back down. Mount Everest has claimed over 300 lives. Some of their bodies still remain on the mountain, frozen in time, now used as grim markers for others on the trail. Yet every year, thousands still attempt the climb, chasing glory, purpose, or perhaps something spiritual. For millions, the Himalayas are more than mountains. They are sacred. Mount Kailash is said to be the home of Lord Shiva. Buddhists believe it to be the center of the universe. Monasteries cling to cliff sides like nests of faith, where monks meditate in silence for years. Even the mighty Ganges River begins here, its glacier-fed waters flowing from heaven to the plains below, nourishing one of the most populated regions on Earth. If you're enjoying this high-altitude journey, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to FactoNugget for more insane facts from around the world. Got a topic you want us to explore? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one. It may seem impossible, but people actually live in the Himalayas. Villages sit perched on cliffs where the air is thin and the winter's brutal. The Sherpa people are famous for their strength and endurance, genetically adapted to the high-altitude life. They can carry loads up Everest that would cripple most of us. Wildlife here is just as tough. Snow leopards prowl silently through rocky slopes. Yaks haul goods through icy passes, and elusive red pandas nap in bamboo groves like furry little shadows. Even plants like the blue poppy bloom in this harsh paradise. But not everything in the Himalayas can be explained. Locals tell tales of the Yeti, the abominable snowman. Footprints have been found, bones even, but scientists remain skeptical. At Rupkund Lake, hundreds of human skeletons float beneath the ice. Carbon dating shows they died centuries apart, most from blunt force trauma to the skull, possibly from a freak hailstorm. And in some hidden valleys, ancient manuscripts speak of hidden lands, secret paradises sealed off from time, waiting to be discovered. But the Himalayas are changing, fast. Climate change is melting glaciers at an alarming rate. Lakes are forming where ice once stood, threatening deadly floods. Entire ecosystems are shifting, and the people who depend on them are at risk. The Himalayas feed rivers that over 1.5 billion people rely on. If the glaciers vanish, what happens next? This mountain range might seem eternal, but it's more fragile than it looks. The Himalayas are more than just the tallest mountains in the world. They are a place where nature challenges us, humbles us, and teaches us. A place of danger and devotion, of myths and miracles, where the earth reveals its power and its secrets. So next time you look up at a mountain, remember, it wasn't just built by time, it was built by force, by faith, and by fire. Thanks for climbing with us today, Factor Seekers. Until next time, stay curious and stay awesome.